Ayan na guys. Ayan na. Yung mga dala namin ang dami. Ayan. Hi Luna. Excited na ba ang lahat? Thomas Gabriel? Kuya? Are you guys excited?
I'm tired.
Tired.
You can first
Thomas, your bag, yeah? We are here na at Heathrow Airport, guys. Heathrow Airport na tayo. Charan! Pangit! Hangin my kids. Look. Oh. Ayan, ang daming airplane. Excuse me. Hi.
There is what kind of
Boarding na, boarding. Boarding na, tulog si Kuya. Nakatulog sa pagod. Nagkakarga ulit. Boarding na kami. My baby girl. She's so pretty. She's so excited. Oh, she's happy. Look at her. She's so happy. And she had M&M.
the lion.
Yeah. Luna is in between of mommy and daddy. Hey, pretty girl. Thomas Gabriel. You happy? Bye-bye na. Hello guys, eto na kami sa airplane. Chill si Luna. By the way, kaya ako pala to be na vlog. Kasi, I just wanna recommend this sa lahat ng mga parents na may mga batang magta-travel. Bumili po kayo ng ganito. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda nito sa bata. They will be comfortable. Hindi nakadangle yung paa nila. Ano lang sila. Oh. Pwedeng mahiga. So, bumili kayo nito. Mura ko lang to nabili sa eBay. If I'm not mistaken, $8.99 lang yan. So, highly recommended to those old parents wanted to travel with the kids. Grab one. At ayun na yung mga boys ko. Si Daddy tulog na. Si Luna, oh, having fun. Playing slime. And with her unicorn. Isn't it, Luna? So, highly recommended to guys. Mostly you travel, quite long. So, it's good. Plus, the quality is good as well. Ito pala yung food ko, guys. Chicken tikka. Apple pie. Quinoa. Tapos may bread pan kasi binigay ko kay Thomas. Yan. First meal in airplane. No, may snacks kanina din. Yung pretzel. Tsaka Coke. Kain tayo. She's such a good girl. We landing now. Tommy, can you see now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
No, you can't have trumpet bars. As I say, tricycles they wouldn't let in yet.
I want to drive a tricycle.
Yeah, you can do. Uncle Tong Tong and Jung Jung, they got a motor.
Yeah, but not tricycles.
Yeah, they do.
Okay. Did you contact your sister to say you drive?
Yeah, I said we arrived, but I couldn't talk to her that much because Luna playing up.